Hi, my lovely Cancers. How are you guys doing? And I'm back at my usual space. I welcome you back to Soul Stereo. So, today we are going to do your love messages from your person. This could be your upcoming energies, supporting energies, and we are not dealing with the past per se much, but what's going to come forward to you in love, what's going on really. We're going to see that, have a look at that. And all my information, people, is in the description box. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing. I send you so much of love and light from this little space, this little window from where I can interact and chat with you, right? All my information is available, as I said, in the description box. Do have a look, do like, and do subscribe, because if I'm able to touch your life in this little manner, I think my job is done, and I don't do this for commercial reasons. I'll really appreciate Cancer. You're the most nurturing, most loving signs that we all know you are, right? So my new joiners, hello, how are you? I welcome you here. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. And my old joiners, thank you so much for being here, for watching your reading. Let's see what are the messages from your person, what do you need to see. And if you're a cross watcher, I welcome you here. Please use your inner compass while you check the reading, okay? I dabble in the Vedic and the Western astrology, guys, so obviously it can vary from whatever part of the world you're in. And there's so much happening in the celestial world every minute, every moment. So of course, it won't resonate really with all of you, but most of you shall resonate with this. So let's see, what is the tarot advising? What's coming up for you guys in love? They show me that there's a song of sugar, sugar, honey, honey, something like that. So Cancers, let's see what's coming up for you as I take the assistance of my masters and guides, and they tell me two more shuffles. I read it with the menstrual blueberry. For the high is good for Cancers watching, and what is best for the viewer? Let's see, people. Depth. The word they show me is depth. You look for depth in everything. You don't want something which is generally there. You want something that has depth. The core energy, 3 of cups. That's pretty much your kind of energy. It's celebratory, I feel. It is more about the passionate, fun-loving overtones, I think, to the process that you're in or you're feeling right now. Okay, let's see what's coming up. So yeah, with the Aries full moon, which is approaching, I feel for you guys, somewhere down the line, it is really about knowing that it's going to be a turning point for you guys. For many of you, I feel, because like I said, you're looking for depth in relationships, of course, is the key factor, because you cannot be friends with people who are just there, or you cannot be in love engagements with people who are just there for the heck of it. They have to really walk the talk with you, right? Temperance is what we get next, which is balance, which is fabulous, because I think this is something very angelic, very strong kind of vibe. I think you're dealing with a Sagittarius maybe, or you have that placement, okay? So this is really about breaking that labyrinth, and you saying that what, I'm inviting abundance in the new way. So you're inviting that new abundance in a more seductive, I think, for my feminines, I feel that. So energies, people, okay? So you're inviting those seductive energies towards. There's a lot of overtone of that kind of stuff in your reading, Cancers. Wow. So you're balancing the dark and the light. I think you finally realize that one has to rise above and see the bigger picture. That is where I think the depth comes around. What else might we need to see for Cancers watching? This is something that you're feeling for a while, but finally you see it coming into shape. So there could be many ways that you've seen through, gone through, right? But now it's like the path is clear to you, my Cancer. That's what it's appearing to me. And let's see what is the next card that comes around. I think work in your throat chakra more, Cancers. They show me that somehow you have to work in your throat chakra. That's very important, okay? So we have, wow, we have the Empress. That's quite like Libran. That's your energy for me, Taurus. So you are seeing things from a totally new perspective, the passionate desire, you being in that soft, sexy, amazing kind of vibe that's going on. Your person is probably seeing you in this light, and switch the energies as they come to you, because that's how you'll be able to understand it. So there's this very strong communication which is coming around for you guys, okay? That is going to change the whole course of your relationship. That is going to bring a lot of emotional wellness as we get the Ten of Cups going forward, which is so amazing, because now you're saying that let's really talk about structuring it. Maybe for some of you, you really wanted a high level of commitment, it's just coming to you, or you're trying to raise these standards vis-a-vis how you were dealing in relationships, how you were handling relationships, right? So there's more understanding between you and your partner now that you can ever realize. With the King of Cups again, so much of feels the person is in. I can just say that completely, that the person is in huge fields, and it is really about structuring it, really about trusting your guides and trusting in serendipity, saying that what, now I know where is it going and how it's going to go, right? So of course it really stands big for you with the Aries full moon, because any which way you guys are not very controlling, right? You're not controlling, and with the conjunctions happening, and Mercury and Jupiter kind of going direct now, there is this understanding that Venus happens to be in the fire sign. So this is Sag. This is Sagittarius energy. So somewhere down the line, do check where is it really placed, okay? It is about matching the vibrations. It's about saying that I am seeking something which can go from troubled waters to deep waters, okay? So you are taking that approach, and you are done with people who don't kind of treat you well. And you have the Ace of Cups. There's so much of water. You're very much in your energy, I feel, Cancers. And I am a Cancer rising, so do watch your Sun, Moon, and Rising. This reading here for now screams nothing more. And the Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, baby, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So really, trust me, this reading is marvelous. Why? Because I'm just like blown away, because this is like romantic adventures, okay? This is about two people really saying that, what, there's so much of love that we have for each other, and you want all the good things and just the good things. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. I changed the word. So you really want to talk about it. You really want to take it forward. You really want to step it up, because you want this kind of relationship to come around with so much of balance, wherein your dark and your light side is super balanced, and you just want to feel happy. You want to feel amazing. You want to stay in this energy, and with this king here, this is about knowing it, that I know how I feel for the one I feel for. I have all the heart for that person, and they're not making any qualms about it, because they know how amazing, how worthy, how beautiful, how charming you as an energy are. And I mean, this, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, um, Libra, I feel, and could be a co-Cancer, Pisces as well. But it is like you are sprinkling your charm everywhere, my love. This is an amazing reading. Cancers, do watch, do like, and do subscribe. You should not miss this, okay? Scorpio season is going to be fabulous for you guys, I feel, somehow. And this whole thing would really intensify, okay? This is going to really intensify for you, Cancer. Then do come back to watch the reading to get a perspective. So let's see, what do we get from the Power of Love deck? What is that one message that you need to see from this card? It says transformation, hands down. Use the power of love to move through illusions and shift into awareness. That's what is happening with the Empress. The transformation has taken place. Aries full moon would be like the icing on the cake. The hunter's moon, finally it's been hunted down. You've balanced the dark and the light. You are shining bright like an angel, and you're ready to celebrate the Three of Cups. Ten of Cups is like that emotional well being. You being in the fields, or the person we're talking about is so much in the fields for you, offering so much of love for you, because now they're in the awareness that you make them super happy. You are the one they really, really want. You are the one they really desire. And honestly, I think it is such an amazing upcoming supporting week going forward in November that's coming your way. And this is what I have for you, my Cancers. I hope you like the reading. Do subscribe to the channel, my love, and I send you so much of love and light. Stay home, stay safe until eternity. Bye.